Now let us revise again. We are going to understand science of food in the light of ahimsa. This is the ahimsa. Ahimsa means power of preservation. We have to consume the food in order to preserve our existence. Each and every creation is trying level best how to preserve existence. Suppose that within head to toes we are having eyes and ear and nose and tongue and teeth. The skin sense organ of touch, the leg, back, abdomen, chest. We have so many things. We have to preserve all things, then how to start it? Easy way, when we are consuming the food, we have so many different tastes of the food, sour taste, pungent, hot, bitter, sweet and salty. We have not to criticize any taste. If some taste is very intense, you cannot tolerate, take a small quantity. But try to appreciate all taste. In the process of tasting the food, have awareness that intensity of taste should not disappear. In the process of eating, you should be aware, now my taste perception is declining. Before finishing, before ending its perception, we have to stop eating. Then you are learning how to preserve existence of taste. If you are learning how to preserve existence of taste, you will get further knowledge how to preserve act of hearing, act of smell and vision. And the bones, we have to preserve bones. Bones should not get destroyed. Muscles, skin, each and every part. Why want to preserve it? Because this is the way of life. We are learning the science of existence. This is a very important point. You should remember it. Therefore, when the current is coming inside nucleus, medulla, and going stored in sahasrara, in brain, in the spinal cord, from here current is going outward. That is the western movement, moving towards the west. Therefore, this journey also should be active. It should not finish. The moment outgoing, current finished, you cannot work, you cannot walk. But inside coming also should be active. Therefore, going outside, coming inside, both should be active. Coming inside means eastern journey, from west to east. Going outside means western journey, from east to west. Both are very important, both should exist. Therefore, when you are preserving the taste perception, and at the same time you are fully aware, full head to toes, appreciate all changes, and have no complaint with anyone in the world. Because learning a science, when you have complaint, when you have hatred, jealous, then you cannot learn this science. Oh, I don't have hatred. All right, where do you live? I live in my apartment. Anybody there? No, I am alone. Then how will prove you do not have hate, jealous? Try to live with the 10%. Try to live in the crowd. Try to live the person with all faith, with all kind of activities. Then you will understand we have jealous or not. Moment you have jealous, you have complaint, the learning will be very weak. Then you will get frustration. Therefore, you have got an opportunity to learn Kriya Yoga, then practice up to the end. Suppose that in your home, where you are, you have problem. Family members are giving problem. All right, come here, but don't come alone. If you are married, come with the wife. Dependent children, come with them. But here don't sit like lazy person. Try to work according to the principle of Kriya Yoga, not according to the labor work. As labor are doing work, not with that principle. With the principle of Kriya Yoga, try to use your existence. Therefore, I have given an opportunity, created a home for you. Wherever you have stress, do not worry, come and stay here. But follow the principle, how to live here. If you are sitting not working, you will have more suffering. Therefore, this is very important to understand. If you say, oh, I cannot stop jealous, I have a lot of complaint, my family members are bad, my uncles are bad, my grandfather is bad, my mother is not helping, father is not helping, husband is bad, wife is bad. Do not have this complaint. If you want in this life to reach to the height, to realize that God has become your presence, God has become presence of all with whom we are having jealous. God has become them also. Now come and join this international home. Stay here, I have made so many rooms for you. It is further needed, I will make more. I will do everything, but try to practice sincerely and use your existence how to feel head to toes more and more. This is the brief message today. Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation.